We've been around since 1990, and we've been producing precision metal stampings for just about any industry, from commercial aircraft to satellites to medical devices and all types of electronics companies. In our 20,000 square foot facility, we're equipped with state-of-the-art machines that are operated by technicians with unsurpassed skills and experience. Now that we're teamed up with American Wire EDM, a leading EDM company with over 30 years of experience in a very highly specialized field, we're better equipped than ever to do projects from dozens of parts up to hundreds of thousands. With 8 state-of-the-art Mitsubishi EDM machines, we're proud to offer the fastest lead times. We can make parts from just about any metal, we hold the tightest tolerances possible, and we can laser mark the parts before they ship out the door to you. With all of these resources, we're striving to exceed your expectations. We work with you to create the perfect part. With Prototype and American Wire EDM all under one roof, we're an unbeatable resource for your business.